4. The Resurrection. At one point in a hearing before King Agrippa, St. Paul asks a question, "Why should it be thought a thing incredible with you that God should raise the dead?" Acts 26:8. The king never answered that question. Men at that time did not dare question the resurrection of Jesus Christ. There were too many eyewitnesses. On one occasion, the witnesses numbered above 500, 1 Corinthians 15:6. Later, in the Apostolic Age, when the witnesses had mostly died, skeptical remarks were made because the witnesses were safely dead. Why, asked Paul, is the idea so incredible to you? Men believe in all kinds of marvels in the natural realm. Why should the God who made all things not be capable of greater wonders? But the Roman world had a problem with the resurrection. Rome believed that the pinnacle of all power was the Roman Empire. The Senate declared what men could become gods, so that even the gods were creatures of Rome. For Rome to believe in a power not of this world controlling all things was anathema. For someone whom they had executed by crucifixion to have risen from the dead meant that he had more power than imperial Rome. This they refused to believe, and they soon called the notion a superstition. Rome is now gone, but the question remains. The risen Christ, as King of all creation, stands over all men and nations as their Lord. All their powers are as nothing before his dominion and government. Then, as Paul sums it up, indeed he is, quote, the blessed and only potentate, the King of kings and Lord of lords, 1 Timothy 6:15. This means too that in time every knee shall bow before him, quote, and that every tongue should confess that Jesus Christ is Lord to the glory of God the Father, Philippians 2:10 and 11. From before Rome's day until now, the reins of human government have often been in evil hands, with sorry results. Behind all this stands the risen Lord, making all things work together for good for his people and kingdom. Romans 8:28. Therefore, rejoice.